How to play Subway Surfers multiplayer with friends. So before opening up or launching your Subway Surfer, ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. In here, the next thing that you need to do is just by opening the application and then access settings at the top right portion of the game. In here, make sure that you have connected it's either Play Games or Facebook account. This is where you can actually check out or add friends that is also playing Subway Surfers. Now just simply hit on this top run below your high score and head over to friends. Now simply add any friends that you like to play with, but unfortunately there's no direct option or there's no direct feature that Subway Surfer can play against your friends in one go. But what you can do once you have successfully added your friends is just by competing each of your high scores. So that's the only way for you to be able to play Subway Surfers multiplayer with friends.